stop. Before you buy that perfect beginner watch YouTube keeps recommending, you need to see this. This video breaks down 5 watches everyone says you need, and exactly why you should skip them. These aren't bad watches. They're just bad decisions. For each one, you'll get 2 better alternatives that'll save you money and regret. Watch number 1. The Seiko 5 Sports. Every YouTube video calls this the perfect first watch. $300, automatic movement, decent build quality. Here's what those videos don't tell you. This watch has an expiration date, and that date is about 6 months from purchase. The crystal is hardlex, not sapphire. One bump against a door frame, and you've got a permanent scratch staring back at you. And the bezel alignment? Complete lottery. Some are perfect. Some are 2 degrees off at the 12 o'clock position. Alternative number 1, the Orient $280 to $320. Sapphire crystal, not hardlex. Zero scratch paranoia. In-house automatic movement with hacking and hand winding. Features the Seiko 5 doesn't have. 200 meters of water resistance with proper bezel alignment. This is the watch you keep for 5 years, not flip in 6 months. Alternative number 2, the Citizen ProMaster Diver. $350 to $400. Yes, it's $100 more. Here's why that matters. EcoDrive technology. No winding. No battery changes for 10 plus years. Just light. This is a proper tool watch that runs for a decade without thinking about it. The Seiko 5 is a placeholder. This is the real deal. Watch number 2. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80. $775. Swiss made. 80-hour power reserve. Clean design. Sounds perfect on paper. Here's the problem. This watch is invisible. It looks like every other dress watch in every office in every city. Your boss wears this. His boss wears this. It's the watch equivalent of a Navy suit. Safe, boring, forgettable. And that Powermatic 80 movement? It's an ETA base with a longer power reserve. That's it. At $775, you're paying for those 2 words on the dial. Swiss made. Not superior watchmaking, just branding. Alternative number 1, Hamilton Jazz Master Viewmatic. $450 to $550. Same Swiss reliability, but with personality. Art Deco numerals that actually stand out. Exhibition case back showing the movement. And $200 cheaper. Hamilton made watches for the military and railroads. Real heritage. Tissot makes office watches. Alternative number 2, Frederic Constant Slimline. $800 to $900. If you're already spending $775, add $100 and get actual haute horology. Hand-applied Deloche dial work. In-house movements on select models. A brand that punches way above its price point. The Tissot Gentleman is what you buy when you don't know what you want. These alternatives are what you buy when you do. Watch number 3, the Tag Heuer Aquaracer. $3,000 to $3,500. Looks sporty, Swiss made, rotating bezel. Here's the truth. You're paying $1,500 extra for a logo that nobody respects. Tag Heuer has a brand perception problem. Watch collectors mock it. Why? Because they spent decades making overpriced quartz watches in the 90s and 2000s. That reputation never left. And the depreciation is brutal. Buy it for $3,200. Sell it a year later for $2,000 if you're lucky. The market is screaming at you. This watch isn't worth what Tag charges. Alternative number 1, Longines Hydro Conquest. $1,200 to $1,500. Better finishing. better brand heritage. Literally half the price. Longines has been making watches since 1832. Tag Heuer has been making marketing campaigns. Silicon balance spring, ceramic bezel, and you save $2,000. That's another entire watch in the collection. Alternative number 2, Omega Seamaster 300M. Used market $3,000 to $3,500. Same price as the Aquaracer retail. But you're getting Omega. Actual brand recognition. The James Bond watch. Coaxial movement technology. Better resale value. Why would anyone buy a new tag when a used Omega costs the same? Watch number 4. Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical. $500. Hand wound, 80-hour power reserve, military heritage. Sounds romantic. Until you forget to wind it. Which you will. This watch needs winding every 2 to 3 days. You'll wear it Monday, forget Wednesday, and by Thursday it's dead. Then you reset the time. Every single week. And here's what nobody mentions. At 38mm with long lugs, this wears bigger than the specs suggest. Smaller wrists? It'll look awkward. Manual winding is romantic until it's a chore. That happens around week 3. Alternative number 1, Seiko 5 SNK 805. 100 to 150. Automatic, not manual. 37mm that actually wears like 37. And it's $350 cheaper. Take that $350 you saved and put it toward your next watch. Or buy 3 NATO straps and customize it. You'll actually wear this one. Alternative number 2, Veer A5 Field Watch. For $99 to $549. Same price as the Hamilton, but automatic. Field watch aesthetic without the manual winding ritual you'll abandon in 3 weeks. Watch number 5, Christopher Ward C63 Sealander. $1,000 to $1,200. British micro brand, great specs, in-house movement. On paper, it's perfect. In reality, there's one massive problem. Nobody knows what you're wearing. You'll get zero recognition. Friends will think it's a $200 Amazon special. And when you explain it's a British micro brand with in-house movement, their eyes glaze over. Plus, that logo placement. Some models have it at 9 o'clock. It's unique, sure, but it also screams bought this online because couldn't afford the real thing. Fair or not, that's the perception. And perception matters when you're spending $1,000. Alternative number 1, Oris Acquis Date. $1,900 to $2,200. Yes, it's $800 more. Here's why that matters. You're getting a real Swiss brand with actual recognition. When you wear an Oris, people know you bought a quality watch. Not a what's that conversation starter every time. That's 120 years of heritage versus Christopher Ward's 20. Alternative number 2, Mito Ocean Star Diver 600. $1,200 to $1,400. Same price range as the C63. But Mito is part of the Swatch Group. Better service network worldwide. Better resale value. People actually recognize the brand. 80-hour power reserve, 600 meters of water resistance, and architectural design DNA that's actually unique. The C63 is great if you're a watch nerd who loves explaining micro brands for 10 minutes. But if you want to watch people respect without a backstory, get the Oris or Mito. So there it is. 5 watches everyone recommends, and exactly why you should skip them. These aren't bad watches. They're just bad decisions for most people. Remember, don't buy what YouTube tells you to buy. Don't buy what's trendy. Buy what fits your wrist, your budget, and your life. If this just saved you from a $1,000 mistake, hit subscribe for more brutally honest watch advice. Drop a comment with a watch you disagree with most. Let's debate in the comments.